Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Ah, Shiva, I can hear you now.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, Raj, you were telling something.
So the same search page. Yeah, what we can do is a very brief comparison for the site and in URL results, right?
Hmm.
What I would suggest in this particular page, take off everything after profile. Take it out. Delete everything after profile.
Okay. So even I'm on a low network. I joined from a mobile network. Okay, here we'll run as a site, and here we'll run.
Site results will be lesser compared to the in URL results, but it may differ depending on situation also. Okay, so it shows 35 results here, right? Hmm, interesting. 27 lakh results. So actually, the number of profiles in Quora would be how many? Would that be 27 lakh, right? I don't think so. It would be just 35. Interesting. Good to see the results.
Hello.
Hello, Shiva.
Yeah, I'm there. I.
Shiva, I just pinged you on Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
Another quick format. Maybe this is something that you can try also and show to. the folks here.
Okay.
Zoom chat.
Yeah. Give me a moment. Use this
Hmm.
Bangalore
Yeah.
sales. Okay, 3,950. Similarly, we have 3,950.
Correct. Correct. Very similarly, it shows.
Wherein this format is taking us for
Uh,
somewhere 7,540.
that's what. That's what. So you are in URL. It is showing, a lot of additional results. Maybe it will go beyond the profile as well. Is what I feel.
Yeah. So that's again a Google behavior.
It's Google behavior, but as per my historical understanding, that site results will the site colon operator will give you lesser results versus the in URL results.
But more
But again,
accurate, which one would be the more accurate? I feel
I
site would be
feel
the more
site.
accurate. Yeah.
Yes, site will be more accurate.
And also that's reason while creating a Google custom search engines, which we'll cover in our later sessions, uh,
Hmm.
it will only allow us the URL format of the particular site. It will not give us a format of in URL quora.com or something like that. It will ask us to give a particular URL format of the particular web page, a URL format of a particular website.
Sure. What I would suggest you to maybe show some folks here,
Hmm.
uh, go to that site search. Okay, in this also, maybe go to the site one. Instead of sales, right? Use terms like working at Amazon in quotes, or maybe working at Google, right? In within quotes. I think this will give you profiles of individuals who have actually written these on their profiles, right? Working at Google, or working at, or maybe working at asterisks, right? Use the star, working at, right? So it will show profiles. So for example, see the first result. Ayushi Jain is working at Oracle, right? Second person working at Samsung.
Yeah.
So yes, this person working at Cisco, right? So I think these these way also folks can probably look for profiles, or actually find individuals working in a specific company.
One thing is that the first thing we tried finding out the URL format of every individual from the Quora, which looked
Sure.
just similar to the quora.com/profile. That is where
Correct.
we stopped using the additional keyword of working at and all. But yes, this
Correct.
also appropriate one. But I would say this
It
is,
can it can be it can be
huh,
an additional way to search more
yeah.
specific people. Yeah, absolutely.
So here it gives me again and again. So 28. Again, I'll to repeat. So when we are using in URL format, that is where it's always ask us to repeat. But we're in the same thing, we go with site. It's not asking us to repeat. It's giving us whatever the results we have in a lesser time.
Okay, now here is a quick behavior. So Shiva, if you look at first two results says
Okay, this
Abhijit
one
Datta.
will
Ah,
compare in
are
these
you?
two.
Just look at this, right? So if you look at first two results, Abhijit Datta, and then it says, comma, lives in Bengaluru, right?
Hmm.
Now, if we use quote lives in Bengaluru, then we will find people who are actually in Bengaluru, but not just writing Bangalore in any one of their comments, right? So that will give more precise people who are actually residing in Bangalore.
So can we use lives in
Any other city? Yeah.
Bengaluru or this?
Maybe. Yes. Absolutely. Bangalore. Yeah, probably.
Because some people might write Bengaluru, some people might
Ah,
write Bangalore.
correct.
So
So it,
we'll
so
go
it
here.
clearly says,
We'll get the same thing over here.
Yeah,
So we're
results will be
basically
same, I
trying
think.
to differentiate between the site and in, okay, here
No, the
also,
both are
this is
site, right?
site, okay, both are same. So here we have profile, we have ended with the profile here. Here we have made profile /
Bit
star.
format. Hmm.
So it gives us
It will give same results.
19,700, but wherein this is giving us
This one is
24,800, but the starting results remains the same,
correct.
the order of results. If you see, the order of results remains the same.
Correct. It will be interesting to further, research on
Dive
this.
deep. We'll go here. Now in URL format, we're coming to, but again, it will restrict first on 30. Then again, we have to repeat. Then it's asked us to verify 23,000. So all in all, both the kind of a keyword giving us almost similar result, unless we are searching for such a niche skills, we might not be able to make out the real difference between in URL and the site operator.
Yep. Awesome.
Okay, and yeah, the GitHub will close after this. So here we do not have any format over here. Whichever the profile, GitHub profile I'm seeing,